the taxes are staying the same year after year until the property's value is reassessed. And that is huge because sometimes when you see a big value add play and the increase in the property is very high from what the original owner had bought it at, you can see that that tax bill, when it finally comes, shoots up, and that can really change your underwriting. Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I come to you from the Antarctic Peninsula. It's beautiful, and it's snowing, and it's super cool because over there, which you won't be able to see, there's a colony of penguins. There has to be hundreds, but they're so cute. They're just hanging out, but it's really beautiful here. A little bit cold, but that's okay. But what am I here for, right? So today, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of buying the LLC or the entity that owns the apartment community. So traditionally, during a sale, what you see more often than not is that people are buying the property and then their entity or LLC is taking over. That management is taking over. That management is the one who controls the property within itself. But when you buy the LLC or the entity, there are two big benefits that stand out, and every state is different. So these are the benefits that we found in Oklahoma. The first one is taxes. So because I'm buying the entity and it's not going on a public record for a sale, the taxes are staying the same year after year until the property's value is reassessed. And that is huge because sometimes when you see a big value add play and the increase in the property is very high from what the original owner had bought it at, you can see that that tax bill, when it finally comes, shoots up, and that can really change your underwriting. The second one is insurance. So you can carry the insurance policy until it's time to renew. That also makes a big difference in this day because insurance is going crazy with all of the disasters, natural disasters that are happening just around the US, especially Oklahoma is one of those ones where when Michael and I were first underwriting, even just 2 years ago, right? It was $450 per door, and now it's up to $650. Like, it's significant, and it will continue to go up and up and up. So even with that small amount of time, when you are able to take on that insurance policy, those numbers help your underwriting immensely. So again, the two biggest reasons to buy the entity or the LLC is one, you get to save in taxes until the taxes are reassessed, and two, is insurance. So if you like this video, or loved Antarctica, please smash that like button below and don't forget to ring that bell or subscribe so that you get notified every time we have new videos come out. Have a great day. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!